A large fire at Splash Paints and Plastics in Harare's Workington industrial area caused extensive damage, collapsing the roof and gutting an entire structure, with millions of dollars worth of property lost. Splash Paints, located at number 13 Hanover Road, was destroyed after catching fire during business. A source at one of the biggest paint companies in the country said millions had been lost after a shrink wrap sparked into fire and was spread by thinners. Witnesses at the scene said the fire brigade did not come in time. By the time the Honda radio arrived, the building was completely down in black smoke. No one died. National Police spokesperson Assistant Commissioner Paul Nyathi said they were still to get a full report, but the officers were at the scene. "We are still waiting for a full report, but the case has been attended to," he said. An insider at the company is quoted saying, "The fire started in the afternoon. It was caused by a spark on a machine which resulted in an explosion that caused the fire. As you know, paint making uses a lot of flammable liquids which are dangerous." One resident in the area said, "We were shocked to see smoke coming out from the building, and when we rushed to the scene, the workers were removing furniture and other valuables from the burning building." In April 2018, it was reported the company had invested in state-of-the-art machinery valued at $3.5 million. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga officiated at the ceremony.